Hi, this is Looking Total Parts Pro. Today we're between 13 Jeep Wrangler, stock number 6872. It's run from the 10th 2011 to the 7th 2018. Has a JK 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a JK 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left front guard no dents. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Spare wheel aftermarket tyre. Right rear 18-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front 18-inch aftermarket mag wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,